What's this one, Peter? Pig doses or boy doses?
Boy doses.
Oh. You fell asleep, teacher? Oh. What happened next?
String.
The pole shakes.
Good.
I got in the garden.
Good morning, teacher Joshua.
I got it in the garden.
Oh, I see. That's a new book. In the garden. Wow, in the garden. Yeah. Can you read it to us?
Shade.
What's that?
Tree. Shade. I said shade. I say shade.
This should be the
Sun.
and this the blue sky.
Sky.
Yeah,
Shade.
that's right. The holes,
Wolves.
pools,
Seats.
pools, weeds.
Pools.